In this video, I will show you how you can take the character you have produced with Project Pinocchio and bring it into MotionBuilder to apply some motion capture data. We're going to start here on the character design page where I have already designed several characters. I'm then going to choose one of these characters and I'm going to click the Publish button to publish this character. In the Publish Character dialog, I'm going to leave the name as is. I'm going to call him Dylan. I'm going to take the male height. I'm going to leave the resolution to medium, leave these options there. I'm going to want the clothing, and I'm going to add some facial shapes. I'm going to use the high-res skeleton, and in this case, since I'm going to MotionBuilder, I don't need the .mb Maya format. I'm only exporting the FBX format, which is the most important option in here to bring this to MotionBuilder. Once I've set the settings of the Publish dialog, I can click OK, and I will publish this character. As you can see, I have now received a notification that my character has been published. If I click on the Publish Character tab, I can now see this character in my published characters. I have several other published characters here, and I can identify the one that I just recently published by the green checkbox. I could then click this little download icon to download the file to my computer. Once I click the download button, I can see the download happening, and I can open up here my download folder to see exactly that file being downloaded as a zip file. I'm then going to in this case, just copy this zip file into my workspace, close this other window, and extract the content of this zip file. If I look inside the zip file to see the contents of it, I can see that I have an FBX and an image, which is actually the texture map for this character. I can now open MotionBuilder and open the file I just extracted. I'm opening with the default options, and we can see that my character shows up inside MotionBuilder with the textures and even a light setup. Switching to an X-ray mode, I can see these lights set up in the scene, and for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to get rid of these lights so we can animate the character using the story. I'm going to select the branch hierarchy of the lights, and I'm going to delete them from the scene. I can also see on this character that it has an HIK skeleton definition, which allows me to go directly in my clip art motion files, drag and drop a motion into the story, and see that that motion is being automatically retargeted onto my character. Now I'm just going to frame the start end of this clip to my current timeline, and I'm going to play back the animation so you can see this animation being applied to the character. I could, of course, drag in other motions into the story, and I could start blending into these different motions. If I adjust my start end to see my next motion file, I can see that it's being applied directly. That was the demonstration of how to bring that Project Pinocchio character into MotionBuilder and apply some motion capture data.